y'all? It's Cannon Mink here, and today we're going to be talking about how to get our MPC Expansion Packs over to our MPC ONE. A lot of us upgraded from the Studio or maybe even the Touch, and now we want to get our Expansion Packs over so we don't lose all the motherfuckers, right? And so it's not super hard, so this video wasn't super long. I think it's, you know, like 4 minutes roughly or anything or something like that. So anyway, man, just please make sure you also subscribe to my shit. Make sure you hit the bell so you can get a notification anytime I post anything. And fuck it, man, let's get into this video so we can get to work. Shit.
All right, so let's get into it. First thing, what you're gonna need is some kind of external hard drive, a USB, SD card, something to keep your information on. So that's up to you of how you do your thing on that, okay? So if you look over here on the MPC, you'll see that it only has 2 expansions. That's what came with the actual MPC ONE itself, but I already had some on my software, so I would like to take what I had on my software and put it over to my MPC ONE so I can use my MPC ONE on the go without using my laptop. So you see we only got those 2, but that's fine. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna come over here to the top left hand side of our screen, right next to our main menu home button. So you're gonna get this little menu page right here, or a little menu icon. It looks like a little hamburger. And then you're gonna go to Tools. When you go to Tools, go down to Expansion Manager. You're gonna go to Export. Super simple, guys. We don't need no voodoo to do this shit. It's super simple. You're gonna come to the drive, tell it where you want it to go. So I already named mine MPC ONE, but I got other shit on there, but I'm only gonna put it on the MPC ONE. So I got it there. In my case, I'm actually, except for the MPC demos, I am going to select all. I don't know why I hit that when I said except for the MPC demo. But anyway, I'm gonna do select all, and then I'm just gonna hit export. So depending on how many expansion packs you have, that'll tell you how long it'll take for this to be completed. So once this is complete, I will get back with you guys. All right, so as you can see, everything was done. Expansion, export success. So we're just gonna hit OK. We're gonna close all this stuff up. I can even close my MP software. Now all you gotta do is now just take your USB. I did not eject that properly, but just take your USB and plug it into the back of your MPC ONE. So now that I've got that in there, now it's saying looking for expansions, please wait, and boom, there we go. We got all of them now. They're all there. So let's say we go to Arab and we do a kit or something, I don't know. So everything is in there. Everything works nice and good. So that's all you got to do. So that's the end of this video. Hope you guys learned something from it. Please make sure you guys subscribe, hit the like button. I got so much shit that I'm putting on this channel. It's ridiculous. So anyway, make sure y'all stick around for everything I got going on. This is Cannon Mink Music. I'm out this mug. Y'all make sure y'all keep loving each other and keep the love going. Be peaceful to each other and keep the peace going.
You roll another one. I want to hit the sequel. We in the jungle smoking legal. You roll another one. I want to hit the sequel. We in the jungle smoking legal.